Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about compact adventure rigs of the future, the 2026 Winnebago EKKO 23B. If you've been following the evolution of the EKKO lineup, you already know Winnebago has been pushing the boundaries between Class B and Class C, and with the 23B they've seriously doubled down on capability, comfort, and year-round versatility. So buckle up, because we're taking a full walkthrough of what makes this rig such a standout for travelers who want big features in a nimble footprint. The first thing you notice about the 2026 EKKO 23B is its bold, modern exterior design. Winnebago has kept the rugged stance the EKKO is known for, but the 23B introduces sleeker contour lines, upgraded composite sidewalls, and a redesigned front cap that improves aerodynamics and reduces wind noise. Built on the latest Ford Transit AWD chassis, the rig gets a boost in torque and improved stability, making it even more capable on dirt roads, forest trails, and snowy passes. With standard all-terrain tires and increased ground clearance, this RV practically invites you to take the scenic route, even when that route isn't paved. But let's talk size. At just under 24 feet, the 23B hits a sweet spot. It's long enough to offer a spacious interior layout but short enough to handle like a large van. Parking lots, tight campsites, and winding national park roads all feel manageable. This is a rig that appeals to couples, solo travelers, and digital nomads who want lots of functionality without jumping into a massive Class C. Moving inside, the 23B introduces a brand new floorplan strategy focused on flexibility. The first feature you'll see is the enhanced front lounge. Winnebago redesigned the seating to provide more cushioning, better back support, and an easier transition from driving mode to relaxation mode. The swiveling captain's chairs pair with an upgraded dinette table that now glides and pivots, making it easier to work, eat, or relax without feeling cramped. Soft glow LED lighting throughout the cabin gives the space a warm, modern feel whether you're boondocking or parked at a resort campground. Storage is another big win here. Overhead cabinets are deeper and reinforced with lightweight metal frames to prevent sagging over time. There's a massive gear garage in the rear, one of Winnebago's signature features, big enough for bikes, inflatable kayaks, solar panels, or all the bulky adventure gear you don't want inside the living space. This garage now includes a built-in heating system, keeping everything from electronics to ski boots protected while traveling in cold climates. The kitchen makeover in the 23B is one of my favorite updates. You get a dual-burner induction cooktop, a larger 12-volt compressor fridge, a convection microwave, and expanded counter space created by a new flip-up extension. Winnebago added more drawers with soft close hardware and improved pantry storage. It feels like a real, functional kitchen, not just a token RV galley, and that's something full-timers will appreciate. Across from the kitchen you'll find the cleverly engineered bathroom. The EKKO line is known for its dry bath setup, and the 23B improves on it with a larger shower space, upgraded water-saving fixtures, and a better insulated wall system to reduce moisture and improve temperature control. The new cassette-to-composting toilet option gives travelers more freedom to choose the setup that fits their style of camping. Now we get to the sleeping arrangements, which have undergone the biggest transformation. The 23B features a versatile rear bed system that converts from twin beds to a large full-width sleeping platform. Mattress upgrades and improved bed framing make it more comfortable, especially for taller travelers. There's also increased under-bed storage, giving you even more places to stash everyday essentials. Energy independence is another highlight. The 23B comes standard with a larger lithium battery bank, a 3,000-watt inverter, and expanded roof-mounted solar. Optional upgrades include lithium packages that allow for days of off-grid use without running a generator. With better insulation, double-pane acrylic windows, and more efficient heating, the EKKO maintains the true four-season capability Winnebago fans love. Driving this rig is equally impressive. Ford's updated safety suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and improved braking technology. The cabin has better noise dampening and a more comfortable dash layout, making long drives much less tiring. Overall, the 2026 Winnebago EKKO 23B is built for people who want adventure without sacrificing comfort. It's rugged, modern, thoughtfully designed, and perfectly balanced between mobility and livability. Whether you're chasing remote campsites or touring cross-country highways, this rig is ready for whatever the open road throws your way. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more RV reviews, travel tips, and gear breakdowns, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.